Tonight I'm doing a quick video just to show you my sublimation setup because I have a couple other videos that I want to do, and this is the basics on what you need to get started. So stay tuned. Okay, so I want to run you through the things that you're going to need to get started. First of all, you need a computer. You need somewhere for your designs to happen, and then you also need a printer. Epson's the workforce printers, like what I got right here, are pretty popular. You can actually get an actual sublimation printer. They're a little bit more pricey. This printer, it actually takes ink cartridges just like your standard printers, but there are cartridges made to swap out, and then you can actually refill these cartridges with sublimation ink. So that's something that I bought. Keep in mind, I'm gonna put everything down in the description. I'll throw it all in my Amazon store. I'll have a little section that's called sublimation printing. So that way you have everything that you need, you can go in there and get it. But yeah, sublimation printer, which is the printer itself, the cartridges, the refill packs with ink, the printer paper that you need, because it is a special paper. Basically, it takes the ink and it releases it again, so that way it can actually fuse into what you're going to print on. So those are all things that you're gonna need. You're also gonna need something that's your source of heat. So like what I got here for all the flat stuff that I do. So like when you've seen me do flags that have patches, things like that, all done here on the heat press. Granted, there are some pretty big heat presses out there. You don't need something huge just to get started on just, you know, your hobby stuff. But this one is a 15 by 15. None of the patches that I make are bigger than that, so I'll use this heat press. And then one of the other things, I just started doing the sublimation tumblers, and in order to do that, there's a couple other things that you need. You need a special tumbler that has the coating on it that it will adhere to that ink. And then you also need to have a heat source. So I actually ran over to Walmart, and you also get the same thing on Amazon, but got a convection oven that'll just sit on my countertop, heat it up, throw the tumblers in there. But I'll have a couple of different videos that are going to go over the different stuff, you know, being able to sublimate onto wood, being able to do the sublimation tumblers, all that kind of stuff, so that way you guys can get started as well. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. You know, hit that bell, like, subscribe, everything. Appreciate you guys. See ya.